Hey everybody, welcome back. And right now we're going to be going over WH questions. For example, that would be where, why, when, how many, how much, which. Words that we use a lot to ask questions with, and they're very, very important. Basically, when we ask questions, it's getting control, right? And you want to control the conversation as much as you can. So what we're going to do in this activity and this drill is going to help you develop those skills. Now, this is something that I have already taught you in class if you're taking lessons with me. And if you want, you can go directly to the quiz on my website and continue from there if you feel like you already know, or you can work on more practice to get better. Here, what I'm going to do right now is go through the presentation with you. Either me or one of my teachers has done it with you already. And the idea is to practice this, to get a notebook, to get a pen, and get ready and write down the answers if you want, and practice. Practice makes perfect. So let's get going for WH questions. WH questions. What is used to ask about things? Who is used to ask about people? Where is used to ask about places? When is used to ask about time? Why is used to ask about reasons? Which is used to ask about a choice between two or more things? And how is used to ask about the method or manner of doing something. Here are some examples of what you're going to see in the drill. Where's she's from? She's from Canada. What's your favorite color? It's blue. When does the train leave? It leaves at 5 p.m. Directions. Complete the sentences. Number 1. It says here, in the library. In the library. What do you guys think? Where is he? Is the right answer. Where is he? 2. Both Sarah and Mike. Who wants to join? Who is the right answer. 3. I've lost my keys. What is the problem? What is the problem? I've lost my keys. 4. Just Emily and David. Just Emily and David. Which people are coming? Which people are coming? Just Emily and David. 5. I like playing guitar. What do you like? What do you like? I like playing guitar, right? That sounds pretty good. Let's move to the next slide. Directions. Complete the sentences. 6. Here it's saying, which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer? 7. What do you think? The answer is, what do you want to eat for dinner? What do you want to eat for dinner? Let's go to number 8. What do you think? Who is joining the meeting? Who is joining the meeting? 9. Take a look at the sentence. What is her favorite book? What is her favorite book? That's the answer. 10. What do you think? Read the sentence. Which store carries those shoes? Which store carries those shoes? Let's go to the next slide. Complete the sentences. 11. Who is your best friend? 12. What do you think? What time does the meeting start? What time does the meeting start? 13. When did you go on vacation? When did you go on vacation? 14. What is the deadline for the project? What is the deadline for the project? 15. What do you think? Why are you interested in this course? Why are you interested in this course? Again, complete the sentences. 16. You can either say what or which here. What book are you reading right now, or which book are you reading right now? In my opinion, they're both the same. 17. Here you can use a numerous amount of WH questions. You can say, when did you learn to cook? Why did you learn to cook? What did you learn to cook? Where did you learn to cook? How many times did you learn to cook? So there's lots of options here. Let's go to number 18. Who is responsible for this task? Who is responsible for this task? 19. Again, you have two possible answers here. I would say, which kind of music do you like? And what kind of music do you like? And 20, read the sentence. Here you can say, how can I find the nearest coffee shop? Or where can I find the nearest coffee shop? To me, they're pretty much two very good answers. So at this time, you can try to create your own WH questions and ask your group. Here, I can ask you, what is your name? Where are you from? Why are you learning English? It's very important to know. Leave them down in the comments. And again, you can try the exercises on my website at www.davidenglish.info. Again, this was a beginner lesson, a basic lesson, and we got more to come. This is the answer key. If you were trying to do practice, remember, you will always find the answer key at the end of the presentation to check your answers. You can stop the video and practice as many times as you want. Stop, practice, listen to me for pronunciation. These are all very important questions that you can ask. And for more information, you can visit and follow my social media accounts right here on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. You're really doing well if you want to take this to the next level, and can't wait to see you in the next video.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.